Assalamualaikum students. We are going to learn addition and subtraction of 6 and 7 digit numbers. Till now we have studied addition of 6 and 7 digit numbers and we learned that how to solve its word problem. So in this video we continue the chapter addition and subtraction. Today we learn how to subtract 6 and 7 digit numbers. You have learned subtraction of 5 digit numbers in the 4th standard. So, what does subtraction means? The process of finding the difference between two numbers or quantities, and subtraction denoted by minus sign. Subtraction denoted by a minus sign. Now first we take the revision. Subtraction of 4 and 5 digit numbers. So, how can we subtract 4 and 5 digit numbers? For subtraction, first arrange the number vertically. How can we arrange? Unit under the unit, tens under the tens, 100 under the 100, 1000 under the 1000, 10,000 under the 10,000. Then we subtract unit from unit place, tens from the tens place, 100 from the hundreds, 1000 from the thousand, and 10,000 from the 10,000. We take the example. Here I write two numbers, 4,526 and 3,214. What we have to do here? We have to subtract. Which number we have to subtract? We have to subtract 3,214 from 4,526. Remember, we always subtract a smaller number from the bigger number. Now we have to arrange the number in the box. How can we arrange the numbers? We learned in the previous video that how do we arrange numbers in vertically. See, the first number is 4,526. So we start from the unit place. So 6 is comes at the unit place, 2 is comes at the tens place, 5 is comes at the hundred place, and 4 is comes at the thousand place. Now we arrange the second number. Second number is 3,214. So 4 is comes at the unit place, 1 tens place, 2 hundred place, 3 thousand place. We have to subtract. We have to subtract the given number. So we put the minus sign. Now subtract 4 unit from the 6 unit. 6 minus 4. We get 2 unit in the unit place. Now subtract 1 10 from 2 tens. 2 minus 1. We get 1 tens in the tens place. Then we have to subtract 200 from 500. So 5 minus 2, we get 3 in the hundred place. Then we have to subtract 3,000 from 4,000. So 4 minus 3, 1. So we get 1 at the thousand place. Now we take the another example. See, the first number is 54,096. Second one is 32,857. These both are the 5 digit numbers. So first we arrange the number 54,096. So 6 is comes at the unit place, 9 tens place, 0 hundred place, 4 thousand place, 5 10,000 place. Now we arrange the second number. 7 is comes at the unit place, 5 tens place, 8 hundred place, 2 thousand place, 3 10,000 place. Now we have to subtract these numbers, so we put the minus sign. Now we have to subtract 7 unit from the 6 unit. But we cannot subtract 7 from the 6. So we have 9 tens. We have 9 tens. We can borrow 1 from 9 tens. So it 8 tens. It become a 8 tens. in the tens place, and 1 tens is equal to 10 unit. So we write 1 tens equal to 10 unit, and we have already 6 in the unit place. So 10 plus 6 become a 16. So we have 16 unit in the unit place. Now we have to subtract 7 unit from the 16 unit. So 16 minus 7, 9 unit in the unit place. Now we have to subtract 5 tens from the 8 tens. So 8 tens minus 5 tens, it become a 3 tens in the tens place. Now we have to subtract 800 from the 000. We can subtract 8 from 0? No. So for subtracting 800, first we borrow 1000. We borrow 1 from the 1000 place. We borrow 1 from the 1000 place. So here is 4 in the 1000 place. So it will become a 3000, and you know 1000 equal to 1000. So it become a 10. Now we have to subtract 800 from the 1000. 10 minus 8 become a 2 in the 100 place. Then subtract 2000 from the 3000. 3 minus 2, 1000. So we have 1 in the 1000 place. Now we have to subtract 3 10,000 from 5 10,000. So 5 minus 3, 2. 5 minus 3 is 2. So we get 2 in the 10,000 place. The answer is 21,239. The answer is 21,239. Now the problem said 10 you have to solve by yourself. Problem set 10 you have to solve by yourself. See, I have taken the example of 5-digit numbers, but we can subtract 2-digit number from 5-digit numbers, 4-digit numbers from 7-digit numbers, 6-digit numbers from 7-digit numbers. Now come to our topic, subtraction of 6 and 7-digit numbers. Subtraction of 6 and 7-digit numbers. So we take the example. See here, the first example is 65,07,843 minus 9,25,586. So we have to subtract 9,25,586 from 65,07,843. So first we arrange the number. So see, 3 is come at the unit place, 4 at tens place, 8 100 place, 7 1000 place, 0 10,000 place, 5 lakh place, and 6 10 lakh place. Now we arrange the second number. 6 is comes at the unit place, 8 tens place, 500 place, 5000 place, 2 10,000 place, and 9 at the lakh place. We have to subtract, so for that we put the minus sign. Now see here, we have to subtract 6 unit from the 3 unit, but we cannot subtract 6 from 3. So see, we have 4 tens at the tens place. Borrow 1 from 4 tens. 3 tens in the tens place. Here 3 tens in the tens place, and 3 unit become a 13. How? See, 1 tens means 10 unit, and we have already 3 in the unit place. So 10 plus 3 is 13. So we have 13 in the unit place. Now we have to subtract 6 unit from the 13 unit. So 13 minus 6. So 13 minus 6 is 7. We have 7 in the unit place. Now we have to subtract 8 tens, but we cannot subtract 8 from 3. So we have 800 in the 100 place. We have 800 in the 100 place. So we borrow 1 from 800. 700 remains at the 100 place. And you know 100 equal to 10 tens. So in the tens place we have 10 plus 3, 13 tens. Now we have to subtract 8 tens from 13 tens. So 13 minus 8, 5 in the tens place. Now subtract 500 from the 700. So 7 minus 5, 2 in the 100 place. Now we have to subtract 5,000 from the 7,000. We have to subtract 5,000 from the 7,000. So 7 minus 5, we get 2 in the 1000 place. Now we have to subtract 2 10,000 from 0 10,000. Can we subtract 2 from 0? No. So we borrow 1 from the 5 lakh. We borrow 1 from 5 lakh. 4 lakh is remain in the lakh place. And 1 lakh equal to 10,000. So 0 become a 10. Now 10,000 minus 2 10,000, it become a 8. 10 minus 2, 8 in the 10,000 place. We cannot subtract 9 lakh from the 4 lakh. We borrow 1 from 6 10 lakhs. It remains 5 10 lakhs. And 1 10 lakh equal to 10 lakhs. So 10 plus 4, 14 lakh in the lakh place. Now we subtract 9 lakh from the 14 lakh. So 14 minus 9, 5 in the lakh place. Now in the 10 lakh place, 5. So we get the answer 55 lakh 82,257. We see one more example. See here. 34 lakh 61,058 minus 27 lakh 4,579. We have to subtract 27 lakh 4,579 from 32 lakh 61,058. So first we arrange the numbers. See, 8 is comes at the unit place, 5 tens, 0 100 place, 1,000 place, 6 10,000 place, 4 lakh place, 3 10 lakh place. Then in the second number, 9 is at unit place, 7 tens place, 500 place, 4,000 place, 0 10,000 place, 7 lakh place, and 2 is 10 lakh place. Here we put the minus sign because we have to subtract the number. See here, we cannot subtract 9 tens from, we cannot subtract 9 unit from the 8 unit. So we have 5 tens in the tens place. So we borrow 1 from the tens place. So it become a 4 in the tens place, and we 1 tens equal to 10 unit, and 10 plus 8, 18 units. So here we have 18 in the unit place. 18 minus 9, 9. We get 9 in the unit place. Now we have to subtract tens place digit. So we cannot subtract 7 from 4. We cannot subtract 7 tens from 4 tens. So we see the 100 place. See, there is 0 in the 100 place. So we borrow 1 from the 1000 place. From the 1000 place. So see here, we borrow 1 from the 1000 place. See here, this become a 0, and borrow 1 to 100 place. So 1000 equal to 1000, it become a 10. Then this 1000 give 1 to the tens, that means 10 tens, it become a 9. And 4 tens become a 14. Then 14 tens minus 7 tens, it become a 7. Now we have to subtract 500 from 900. 9 minus 5, 400 in the 100 place. We cannot subtract 4 from the 0 in the 1000 place. So we have 10,000. We have 6 10,000. We have 6 10,000. So we borrow 1 from the 6 10,000. Here remains 5 10,000 and 1 10,000 means 10,000. So it become a 10. Now we subtract 4,000 from the 10,000. 10 minus 4, 6 in the 1000 place. Now we have to subtract 0 10,000 from 5 10,000. 5 minus 0, 5. Now here we cannot subtract 7 lakh from the 4 lakh. So we borrow 1 from the 10 lakh place. So it become a 2. It become a 2 lakhs, and we know 1 10 lakhs equal to 10 lakhs, and here we have 4 in the lakh place. So 10 plus 4, 14. We have 14 lakhs. Now we have to subtract 7 lakh from the 14 lakhs. 14 minus 7, 7 in the lakh place. Now subtract 2 lakhs from 2 lakhs. It become a 0. It become a 0. So we get the answer. We get the answer 7,56,479. So in this video, what we learn? How to subtract 6 or 7 digit numbers. You have to solve problem sets and practice the example which I have taken in the video.